ang tinatakutan namin. Na pababa ka na pababa, hanggang pababa. Lene, look, Lene, wag ka tumabok ng presidente. Wala ka talagang alam. Wala ka talagang, ayoko na sabihin na 2 beses sa kumuha ng bar, pero wala ka talagang alam.
What's next
Remember,
now?
I said that the police can accept gifts. Of course, sabi ko. So long as it is out of gratitude in small tokens. Tapos, 2 king senador in Niger. Akala mo automatic, that is immoral, that is illegal, that is unconstitutional. Sabi ko, hoy gaga, I was using the words of the law itself, the anti-graft and corrupt practices. Abogada ka, hindi mo alam, tapos mag-presidente ka. Tapos magsabi ka lang ng relying on your being a lawyer, patay. Pareha kaya, it will be a classic.
Last on this
Huwag kang
topic,
tumanggap
sir.
po na po. Ngayon, maghanap kayo ng iba dyan. Yan, ilagay nyo, disgrasya yan. Remember, kayo ang nag-umpisa nito. I kept my silence all along. Kasi puro kayo mga wise, you think that your words coming out of your mouth are words of wisdom to the Filipino people. Na Filipino people, you're listening to me. Hindi na po ako politiko, hindi na po ako tumakbo, wala akong kandidato. Sinasabi ko lang sa inyo, disgrasya kayo pag sila ang subukan ninyo. Saan ka makakita dito to fight drugs? Magpunta pa doon sa padalhin pa yung Human Rights Commission. The Human Rights Commission ni-repudiate ko. I rebuke them. As a matter of fact, sabi ko, you cannot have jurisdiction over my person, not in a million years.